Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to straight away do this task. In the previous video, I have shown you several basic things for you to understand first in order for you to complete this question. So without further ado, so first of all, what I would love to do is I always love to draw a horizontal and a construction line with construction line, a horizontal and a vertical line at the point. So this question asks you to draw the template in full size. So redraw everything here by having the new point O. So this point O is over here, but now it moved to here. So we have to redraw based on point O here. So with full scale, with the full size, so we're going to use the size. So if you notice there are dimensions here, 75, 90, 40, and so on. So what I love to do is I always love to make a horizontal line and vertical line. Okay, make it very small. Okay. This is my construction line just to help me, to guide me for my drawing. Okay, and then we know this from A to D, it is 90. Okay, A to D is 90. So I'm going to use these compasses here and check for 45 mm. Why 45? 90 divided by 2, it would be 45. Okay, so just going to mark here, mark this side and the other side. Okay, and you know what, because we are having ellipse, and if you still remember, because we have to draw ellipse, we need to draw a major circle and minor circle, and 90 would be the diameter. Okay, the diameter of the minor circle, minor because this is the width, this is a vertical ellipse, ellipse yang menegak, so kita tahulah yang lebar dia adalah dia punya minor, and the height 75 is the half of the major, which is the total is 150 lah nanti kan. But because we just have to draw the top side, so kita buat yang bahagian atas je lah. So why not, instead of just mark here and there, saya akan buat terus a semicircle with 90 mm diameter. Saya guna 90 ni, maknanya 45 mm lah radius dia. So the diameter is 90. Okay, and then, but I don't want really to focus on the ellipse right now, so, but we know lah, this is 90. From here to this point, the line here, A to D, this is 90. Okay, and then from this point A here, now this is our point A. Saya mark jap. I mark here. Let's mark here. This is our point A. And this is our point D. Pardon me. Okay, but from point A, kita ada this, what we call as this center point, which the difference is 25 mm. So I'm just gonna straight take that 25 mm and bring it over there. Okay, so 25 mm. Okay, let's use this as well. Okay, that is too big. I mean my thickness. Alright, from there, I'm just gonna draw a complete circle. Why complete circle? Because we have a semicircle here. Okay, that's fine, we know that. And then we have a semi-hexagon. Where to draw a semi-hexagon, we need a we need a semicircle as well. So semicircle on the top and semicircle at the bottom, then we're gonna have a full circle. Okay, nice and clean. So now I'm just gonna make the line here, A to this point here, much thicker straight away because we know this is an object line. Buat saya siap. Buat saya siap object line awak kan. So saya akan buat sini. And to the point here. That would be our real line. And then saya nak buat hexagon. So hexagon sama juga kaedah dia. Ambil distance yang sama. You just stick here. And then from the other side. Simple as that. Using the same distance. Buat sini. Now we're gonna have a line. Okay, saya buat line, tengok. Boleh tak buat line. from here, from this point to this point here, and then another line from this point to this point here, and then another line, excuse me, from this point to this point here. Okay, I hope okay, nampak cantik. Alright, so that is your hexagon, semi-hexagon. Okay, I'm using the black color pen here because I know this is the final drawing. This is the object line. Okay, this is object line. So now we have our A, and then we have our O here and our D. Now, from point A as well, I can see that dia ada bagi tahu 50 radius. So, saya akan ambil je siap-siap. Let's check 50. I will save the ellipse for the last. Okay, and that would be your 50. Okay, let's change the color there. Make sure this is construction line. From here, we're gonna have here to here 50. Right, so 50 mm size. So I think that would just make things much easier. Okay. Okay, something like that. Alright, so and then on from D here, from D to C, okay, I'm not quite sure how much is the distance, but what I can tell is, kita ada line 40, saya buat line dulu, saya tanda dulu 40. Okay, from point O and then going downward, kita ada 40. And this gonna be our line. Excuse me. Kinda not touching really. Saya undo sikit, buat semula. Kasih touch lah. No, it's not touching. So yeah, it's quite difficult to make it accurate. So anyhow, you get the point. So ada line kat sini, 40 mm. Okay, this 40 mm touch the B here. So this is our point B. Kalau saya buat pen, saya tanda, this is our point B, more or less. And then from point B, we have point C, the distance is 25. So saya akan ambil 25. Mark there, and then this point to this point here akan jadikan kita satu line B. But before that, I'm just gonna go back here very quickly and take the 50 mm, okay, and use our object line to complete the line here. Okay, excuse me. Nanti touch point B there. Okay, lebih kurang lah ya. And then kita buat line. Excuse me. Guna baris lah. Let's touch this point. Okay, right. Make sure you always make sure you label, relabel. Okay, any drawing that you find. So this is B and this is C. Okay, and then I'm gonna have a line here. This one I need a line. Okay, and that is C to D. And if you still remember how we do in our first drawing, how we do a diagonal triangle like this, we need to take certain things. We need to do certain things. Okay, first of all, we bisect the line first. So use the method of bisecting. So I think this would be okay. Alright, I forgot to change the color. Let's do that again. I think I have to change from here. Side. Okay, this is quite big lah. Saya ambil yang besar. You tak perlu membesar kan, but I'm taking the bigger one. And then from the other side. Yeah. Okay, tak touch pun. Kena buat balik lah. Okay. So, and then if we draw a line there, and meet this line here, this one is your bisection. So taking this as your center line, center point, and use your distance here, the distance here, as your radius, we can draw a circle or a semicircle. Okay, right, again it's not too accurate, but okay lah, boleh accept. Okay, now you have your semicircle. So just take 40 mm distance. Kita nak buat yang ni. This one here. So 40 mm distance. And from point C, because this is from point C, just gonna mark there. And this intersection here is our line, would be. So, buat the line. It would be from here to here. Alright. And then from this line to this line. That is your 90 degree angle. Okay. Where you can use your pen, make sure you label it as 90 degree. Okay, now we have done with all the bottom part. Okay, I think so. We have done with all the bottom part. We have done the label C, D. Alright. Okay, now what left is your ellipse. So now we have already have our minor semicircle. Therefore, now for our major, which is 75. Okay. Your major is 150. Why? If you still remember in the last video, I said that if it's mentioned that your major is 90, means that the diameter is 90, not the radius. So, but this one is giving you the radius. So we're gonna use 75 for our radius. Okay, that is for our major, and this is vertical ellipse. Kalau vertical menegak, therefore on the small circle nanti kena buat tegak. Okay. So from the same point, point O, let's check the pen. Alright, so I need to make sure I extend the line here. Not quite accurate, but okay lah. Okay. Let's do that again. Okay, so make your 30-degree line. Yang ni saya gunakan warna hijau lah supaya awak nampak. 30-degree line. 120 dulu lah. And bring your ruler here. And then just make a drawing. There. And then 150. Okay, make sure you use your set square. You can use your set square, don't worry. In my case, I don't have set square in this. The 60 degree, 90, 30 degree set square. You can use that. Yeah, say that. Let's take 30. And then 60. And since this is our major, okay, therefore saya habiskan sikit buat vertical line. Make sure we have a complete vertical line. Okay, alright. So bulatan kecil. Okay, this is menegak. Jadi kena buat garisan tegak. Alright, so at the intersection here. Okay, before that, let's mark for our point. So kalau ini, this is our minor, lebar dia kat sini, titik sini dan titik sini. Kemudian kita akan bertemu somewhere sini nanti, dan kat sini hujung dia. Okay, now kita buat tanda yang lain. Alright, so I'm gonna stick with green. Let's try blue. So menegak sebab ellipse menegak. At the small circle, intersection on the small circle. So saya buat sini. 1. That is too big. Don't want it too big. Kan? And then if kecil menegak, maka yang melintang, I'm not going to use this ruler. This ruler can go away and come this ruler. And then now let's look at the big circle. So on the big circle kita boleh tahu kat sini pertemuan dia. Saya just label pertemuan dia. So now use your French curve. Okay, but I'm going to use my hands freehand. Okay, because ni lah. Use thick line. Okay, sambungkan ni. Saya sambung ini. Oh, that's too small. Saya besar sikit tak apa. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, this time I'm doing a great job. So now we have complete everything. All right. Do we have to label? All right. So yeah. You don't have to redraw. Let me check. Do you have to redraw the dimension? All right. Just to be on the safer side, buatlah dimension semula. Tunjukkan balik ini berapa, like this one. But you don't need to. Okay, based on the answer that I'm checking right now, you don't have to redraw show the dimensions again. Okay, all the radius tak perlu pun. Okay, just lukisan saja. So I think, but you have to make sure you label back A, O, D, B, C, and so on. So we have A, B, C, D drawing. Okay, and do we have anything else? I don't think so, and that's it for our drawing in this task. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to show you the next question, which is this one. This one? This one is the one that, oh yeah, this one. This one, and then we're gonna do this one as well. Okay, see you.